Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita Agrawal from Technomintra. Today we are going to learn about HTML, that is basically a hypertext language. Hypertext markup language. Basically the hypertext means something that runs on the internet. So this is a language where we will be generating web pages. Now you might be wondering what it is all about. When you browse on the internet, you see lots of pages. Everything is in the form of pages that are known as web pages. And this is the language that is used for generating those web pages. So, this is a language where a page basically consists of a text, image, audio, video, links to other pages and so on. When you open a page, you see these things. And then you can go from one page to another also. It is basically a language that describes the content, format and layout that will be displayed over www, that is World Wide Web. Whenever you find out anything, you write down www.google.com or yahoo.com or anything. So, and that www is collection of interconnected web pages that are connected to each other. So for writing this, making this HTML pages, or I can say web pages, we can either work on the different softwares, or we can even write down these things on the internet. So here we will be learning about Netbeans. Netbeans is basically software which is basically used for Java language and even for other things also, like I just show you over here. Maybe we'll make you can see we are creating a new project, so you can see HTML5 is there and other things are Java also. So maybe a simple application, and then you can say next, maybe Java application 1, you can write another project name, and then you can finish it off, okay? Or you can say again next and then finish, because we don't need all these files. So you can see over here HTML page has been generated. So this is by default, all these tags are coming. So like before beginning anything, we need to learn about the tags. So whenever we write HTML, it is written within the tags. So these tags are basically the commands. Like other languages, they have some different sort of commands, or I can say primitives. So over here everything is in the form of a tags. So it defines the structure and appearance of a HTML tags that is enclosed within the angular braces. You can see over here 2 braces are there. So the very first tag that we will write over here is this HTML. Now there are basically 2 types of tags if we are talking about. One is the container tag that will be having opening as well as closing. So over here you can see this is the opening and this is the closing tag. But there can be some tag that doesn't have the closing. So they are that are only the opening tag, and so those tags are known as empty. So over here you can see a structure written over here. So basically what is the basic structure is, you will write down HTML over here and then with a slash HTML at the ending. So one is known as the opening, this is the opening tag, and the closing tag is followed by the slash. Inside that you can see the head. Now what is this head? Inside that we write down the title. So I can just show the title will be something that is displayed on the web page, the name of the web page. It will not be like www, like how you can see the web page, like over here you can see this. So same way I will just run and show it to you also. So these lines you can escape. Other than that, inside this a body will be there where you will be writing everything, and you will be generating your web page using different tags. So this is our basic video. Now consisting about it, tell the HTML tag is basically tell the browser what is the document all about. When we write down the head, it contains the title. You can see over here the title along with the general information about the document, and then you have to close it. And I told you already that the body is that where the main content of the web page is there. So in the maybe later on we will be covering about the body tag. Our main focus will be on the body tag, where we will be writing all the commands, and that will be followed through which you can generate. So this is a very basic introduction about the HTML. So thanks for viewing my video, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks a lot.